What's up, North Shore Beefs? Over here at Jamie's Roast Beef, Peabody. Told myself on the ride over that I would not get a traditional roast beef, that I would give one of their fancy beefs a try. I'll be respectful and say fancy beef, because I really like this establishment. Got the Sorry JR. For those of you who don't know, it's not Sorry Junior, it's JR for Sorry James River, because Jamie's makes their own barbecue sauce. It's got house barbecue on it. It's also got their homemade garlic aioli, cheddar cheese, beer battered onion rings on a grilled onion roll. I didn't get extra cheese, I didn't get extra nothing. I just serve it to me the way you make it, sir. So that's what we got here. That's what I'm gonna do. It's a big beef. Got it here, making a mess, nice and pink, warm, fresh. Gonna ham this with one hand, all right? It's probably, I don't know, I don't even know what size it is. It's just one size. Worth it. And I'm standing. 'Cause that's how you eat a beef. Fuck it, get shit on my face. That's unbelievable. That garlic aioli's on point. Beer battered onion rings, you can definitely taste those in there. That barbecue sauce. It's delicious. I can't put my finger on it. It doesn't slap like James River, but it doesn't have to, because it works with the garlic aioli and the onion ring. I even got it on an onion roll for all you fucks, because I did not order. I ordered it the way it was on the menu. I said that already. Crispy bun, on point as always. Cheddar cheese on the bottom deck. Not a go-to for me on roast beef, but with everything else going on, it works. It really works.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Staff is great. He's coming out to check out on us. Here with the girl and the baby. I'm gonna give this beef a 9-2. All day. Once again, think outside the box for a roast beef that comes in the box. This place, it really can't be topped. For newcomers to the game, they're definitely paving their own way. Much respect. Hold on one second, babe. Hold the phone for a second. Up there, just like that. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Sporting the gear. Get a beef and go fuck yourself.